Hi, everybody. I'm Andrea Loretangeli with the Donnelly Group of Keller Williams Flagship of Maryland. And I'm here today with Mr. David Ratti of the Ratti Lending Team at Envoy Mortgage. David, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thanks for being here. So today, David and I wanted to talk about the financial impact of purchasing in an appreciated housing market that we're in today on one side, coupled with historically low interest rates. So housing prices have gone up roughly 5% over the last couple years. So we are in an extremely strong seller's market still today. So many buyers might say, man, the prices are really going up. I'm not going to be able to afford to buy. Or they might say, I wanted to buy that larger house, but the prices have gone up too much. I'm not going to be able to afford it. So we say, those appreciated prices may not matter. So tell us why, David.
Sure. And actually, I was really blown away when I started running numbers. So most people that buy homes do not pay cash. Okay, they finance the transaction, and they finance a large portion of the transaction in what's known as a mortgage. So it's really the cost of the money that they're paying, the interest that they're paying for when they purchase a home. So if we look at, say, a $400,000 home 2 years ago, January 2019, interest rates at that time were 4.5%. And we compare that to today, January 2021, interest rates are about 2.75% on average. If we look at the difference of what it's costing people, that 2-year period with the 5% appreciation rate you mentioned takes a $400,000 house and makes it about $441,000. So a lot of people might think, I'm priced out of the market. Couldn't be further from the truth. So the payment today is $226 less than it was 2 years ago, even with that appreciation. Not only that, but the cost of the money, the interest they pay for that home is $81,000 less over the life of the loan than it was if you'd have bought a home 2 years ago at $400,000. It's amazing. If you look at this chart, it's just mind-blowing that the perception I feel is people might feel like they're priced out of the market. And the reality is it's so much cheaper to buy a home right now.
Yep, that's why we're here today letting them know. So those are very astounding numbers. So what will you do with that extra $226 a month? That becomes the real question. So David, thank you for sharing this valuable information. It's very timely in today's market. So if you're thinking about jumping in the market in 2021 or know someone who is, we're happy to sit down, talk to you, give a one-on-one consultation, either on the mortgage side or the real estate side. We're here to help and get rid of those things that you think about that aren't necessarily true. So we thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you the next time.